Hi everyone and welcome to codingzest.com. Guys, in this Flutter tutorial I will show you how you can display a toast message to a user. So a toast message is similar message like a snake bar, but we can add a action button in snake bar, and in a toast message we cannot add an action button. So the toast message is simply a message, a toast, which show in the bottom of our screen. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can display a toast message, and for this we will use package which is Flutter toast. So to add a package in your Flutter application, first of all we need to open our browser, and here we will type pub.dev. okay, and we will search for Flutter toast. Okay, hit enter, and the first one is you can check the popularity here, which is 100%. So we will open it, and we will go to installing. So the installing mean we can how we can add it to our Flutter project. So we can simply copy this Flutter toast dependency or this name from here, and we will go to the Android Studio in our Flutter project, and we will go to the pubspec.yaml file, and we can add it here below this dependency or below this Cupertino icons. Okay, but here we need to make sure that all these packages or dependencies are identified like this. Okay, so to make sure all these packages or dependencies are identified in this configuration file, we will add it by running this command. So the Flutter project or the Flutter project will automatically add this dependency to our this configuration file. So what we will do, we will copy this. Okay, and we will go to the Android Studio or open to your VS Code, and we will open a terminal, and we will paste it here, this command, and we will hit enter. Okay, so our package is downloaded and added to this configuration file, and if I close this file and if I open it again, so as you can see here we have a Flutter toast dependency here, and which is identified as this Cupertino icon. So you can add it manually or you can add it by running this command. It's totally up to you, but I will recommend to use this command because the Flutter project will automatically add this add the dependency or package in your configuration file. So now what we will do, we will use this in our main activity main dot file. Okay, so here I will create a stateless widget which will name my app, and here I will return material app, and inside this I will add a home, and we will add a scaffold here, scaffold. Okay, and inside the scaffold I will add an app bar by using the app bar widget, and I will add a title to the app bar, and the title will be a text widget, and which will be okay, inside this, not outside this, toast demo. Okay, I will call it toast demo, and here we will have a body, and the body will be a center widget because we need to add a button in the center of our screen. So here I will add a child, and the child will be a material button. Okay, so the button will have on press. So when we click on this button, so we will show a toast message, and we will add a text to this button which will be a child of this button text widget, and the text will be show toast. Okay, we can also assign a color to this button, and the color will be colors dot, I will assign a color of teal, and the text color of this button will be colors dot, and we will give a white color. Okay, and now we will show our toast here, but first we need to import that library which we have added in our configuration file. So to import a library, let me zoom it, we'll close this, type import, and here we will simply type toast, and as you can see here, flutter toast main dot flutter toast web flutter toast. Okay, so now we need to use this flutter toast here. So simply type flutter with capital F, flutter toast. Okay, and show toast, and here as you can see here we have a property of message. So this will be a string value, and we can assign directly a string value, and I will call it is a toast. Okay, you can display whatever message you want to show to the user, but this is just for testing, so I will simply call it is a toast. And here we will add a toast length. So toast dot length long or short, so I will select the long and I will add a semicolon here. Now I will run the application. Okay, I think okay, so if I click on this short toast, so as you can see, why it's not showing the flutter toast. Okay, I need to, because we added a dependency or package in our configuration file, so we need to stop our application because I have already run it before. So we need to stop it, and I will just close it from here, and I need to run it again from the start, so it will pick up the package, the flutter toast package from configuration file. Okay guys, so now we will click on this button, and as you can see here is a little message, a little toast here in the bottom of our screen. It is a toast. So that's how you can display a toast. And the difference between a toast and a snake bar is we can add an action button to snake bar, but we cannot add an action button to a toast. It is a simple message. Okay, so that's it for this video guys, and if you like this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also share this video with your friends.